Use split screen to view two different areas of the same Word document at once. Let's say I'm creating a list of acronyms in my document and I need to review the content to ensure all options have been added. It can be frustrating to have to go to the table and then back to the content again and potentially lose your place. Whilst using the navigation pane can assist with this, we're going to look at the feature called Split Screen. If I go to the View tab and click on Split, now I have two views of the same document. If I make any changes in either portion, it just saves the one document. I might like to have the table here and the content at the bottom. If I want to be able to see more content at once, I can click on the split and just move it up a bit higher. I could even choose to zoom in on this bottom area. Ctrl+Scroll the mouse wheel is a quick way to do it. As you can see, whilst the mouse is over the bottom area, it controls this portion, and when it is over the top area, it controls that portion. So let's say I want to check if SOP is in my list. I can go back to the top and scroll here. Yes, it's there. Go back down to the bottom and scroll here. Is CRM in my list? Yes, it is. Keep scrolling. What about KPI? Note, that doesn't seem to be there, so I could add that one in. I can either type it in or I can copy and paste it from here easily. It is the same document. Are there any more? ROI, that should be in there. No, I can't see it. Let's say I'll add it at the bottom for now. So I can make my change here. I could even choose to add that at the end as well, but when I save it, it will just save the one document. Now if I want to view the table as a whole, I could click on the split again and move it down, and now I can see my whole table. As a point of reference, within the ribbon here, this little drop down, I could choose Show Tabs Only, and that will let me see more of the document at once as well. To bring that back, you can click on any of the ribbon tabs, click the drop down again, and always show ribbon. As a side note with my table, these should ideally be in alphabetical order. So if I highlight the rows, I could go to Table Layout, click on Sort, make sure it is definitely the correct column, and OK. If I'm happy with that now and wish to remove the split, I can go to View and Remove Split, or I can just click on the split and drag it to the bottom. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our Help Me Format YouTube channel to discover more tips and tricks.